denunciation of supposed illegalities in some writings without answer on the part of Mayor of Aguilar de la Frontera, Córdoba, Spain. The Spanish Constitution proclaims its will to consolidate a democracy that there assures the empire of the law, like expression of the popular will. All the citizens we are submitted to the empire of the law, enclosed the citizens who devote themselves to political activities. Denunciation of a supposed illegality, in the authorization of a license, for the installation of a chimney of extraction of smokes, of a kitchen of a bar. In accordance with the Article 5.37.1 d. of the norms of Aguilar de la Frontera. d. Smokes evacuation. In the existing buildings it will be necessary to authorize the evacuation of smokes proceeding from places of first floor or cellar, to turn, of conduits placed in the courtyards of the building, without altering its aesthetic conditions, remaining prohibited its installation in exterior fronts. In the Town Planning Technical Report, Records 026/04, of date March 5, 2004, gather the above-mentioned prohibition in exterior fronts. Also, it is said that, on the other hand, the chimney tries to settle to give service to a kitchen, without being known if it is authorized by license of previous opening. He remains demonstrated, that knowing its prohibition, he has installed to himself the chimney, and what is more surprising, on having expressed the report, they ignore if he has license, a bar with kitchen. In the juridical report of April 2004, he says that he projected work breaks the established in the town planning norms. Later he tries to justify the violation of the regulation based on other reasons, to value the possibility of granting the license. Therefore, it is a question of a supposed illegality, in the authorization of a license, since he has settled in an exterior front. It denounces, of a supposed illegality, in the authorization of a license, for the installation of a platform and awnings, in full roadway of a public route. There was realized the installation of the metallic platform, on March 16, 2006, in Bays, only with to the favorable report of the local police. Namely without town planning report or legal aid. The installation of the awnings was realized, on March 21, 2007, before having municipal license, with the verbal authorization of Mayor Francisco Paniagua. They grant the municipal license to him, on May 17, 2007, without assembling still the requisites. All the reports are later to the execution of the installation. Town Planning Technical Report signed by the Architect Assessor Urbanista Municipal. Records 397 of date May 9, 2007. The visual impact that it raises is quite excellent, and it spoils largely the space in which it is located, bearing in mind that it is in an area qualified environment of historical helmet. It will have to reach port, the fulfillment of the basic document of technical code, on safety in case of fire. Remarks. In this technical office, complaints of some neighbors have been received, about the implantation of the above-mentioned detachable installation, indicating that not only it affects aesthetically to one of the main streets of the municipality, but it is a question of an easily burglariable element, which will be able to incur problems to the adjacent neighbors. Also, it will have to bear in mind that the authorization of these records, precedent will create to mount this type of facilities in different places of this municipality. Resolution of the Defender of the Andalusian People, of June 12, 2008, to the Town Hall. Consequently, we formulate to the Town Hall of Aguilar of the Border, the following resolution. 1. Reminder of the legal duty to observe the application regulation, at the time of granting authorizations, for constructions or facilities in road and public domain soil. 2. Recommendation in order to which the necessary steps begin, to check if office the granted license, for the purpose of leaving it without effect. Of the declarations of the Mayor of Aguilar, Francisco Paniagua, in the radio program of Canal Sur, El Pilico, that directs Jess Vigora, on September 11, 2008, we can say that in them showed false facts, like that only a neighbor has denounced to the platform and awnings, when there are more neighbors. Also, it affects to only one apartment block and not two, as the mayor said. It attracts attention that he says this, being a mayor and living in the street where the platform is, through object of the denunciations. Secondly, he has tried to discredit the technical and moral authority of the defender of the Andalusian people, for the fact that it has not given him the account. When the defender of the Andalusian people recommended to leave the license to him without effect, it did it according to the state and municipal laws. Both the platform and the awnings were denounced. There are not even wars neither against the mayor, nor political motivation, since any of the informers we belong to any political party. We show that we do not have anything against the mayor, except demanding from him that it should fulfill the current legality according to our legitimate right like civil. Since it made very clear and palpable, Jesus Vigora and Joaquin Moco, in the program of Canal Sur, and illegality cannot give jobs. Finally, that is not an argument to maintain the platform if it is illegal, the fact that it could create jobs. Dismantled one of the arguments of the mayor of Aguilar de la Frontera, Francisco Paniagua, it rang off to the program of Canal Sur and to the whole hearing. Since Aguilarenses, we can say that in these moments we feel foreign shame for the reaction of the one who represents the people of Aguilar de la Frontera, Cordova. Fragment of the letter in the press. Oh, the mayor of Aguilar of the border for Jaime Giez Garc. Seville. His opportune and guest-right declarations of the lawyer, loaded with reason, are those who him stopped putting of the nerves and leaving us to all, in certain way, with the word in the mouth, despising to the hearing and to the team of the program, with a bad style and a few proper ways of the chiefs of other epochs. On having said, the mayor who granted him the license with all the prerogatives of the law, it is missing to the truth, good for ignorance of the matter, or therefore it is worse, knowing it. A concealed information, to the defender of the Andalusian people, in what it concerns, to the annex of the technical code, where it are indicated that it does not expire with the required distances. This information they hide it, in principle, even to a judge of the court of the administrative contentious thing. Also, it delays reachievement the delivery of the records to the court of the administrative contentious thing, to try to delay that it continues the course of the justice. He has settled in the roadway of the street, and precedents did not exist, and what represents a nonsense. The well-read technical reports of an objective and impartial form, they demonstrate the non-performance of the state and municipal regulation current. There has existed a supposed attempt of concealing the reports on the part of the municipal authority, to what it joins a delay in the time, perhaps, in an attempt of that falls into oblivion. Everything is withstood previously by the municipal authority. Therefore, we are before a supposed illegality. It denounces four noises of a bar. On November 23, 2007, denunciation was sent by noises proceeding from the installation of platform and awnings, as well as of a bar, to the Town Hall and to the Commission of Environment of the meeting of Andalusia, without we knowing to today that they have realized no measurement. For the same cause, it was charged on June 6 and September 22, 2008, before the local headquarters of police officer of Aguilar. On March 24, 2009, denunciation writing appeared for the same motive, in the record of the Town Hall. On April 24, 2009, registered mail is sent to the Commission of Environment of the meeting of Andalusia in Cordova. On May 13, 2009, they indicate us from the Commission of Environment, which they have communicated to him to the Town Hall, that has a term of 15 calendar days for the performances that correspond to him of alertness and measurement of the acoustic contamination. The Town Hall supposedly broke it. With date July 30, 2009, we present in the record of the Town Hall request to see the complete records where the performances realized by the Town Hall are detailed. No answer has been received on the part of the Town Hall. Report of December 4, 2009 expressed by the Service of Architecture and Town Planning Campi. In the examination visit there have been detected noisy facilities that clearly might not be or to exist at the moment of the authorization of the license of opening in 1977. With regard to the noises of the scaffold and awning, if that is of application the regulation of protection from the acoustic contamination in Andalusia, Decree 326/2003, according to the established in its art. 2 ambience of application. Nevertheless, the promoter no has justified the fulfillment of this regulation by means of the contribution of the acoustic study demanded in its Article 36, has not even contributed the real noises measurement before to the starting of the activity demanded in its Article 47. On April 16, 2010 we present again, written requesting copy of the complete records, after more than 4 months from the reception of the report of the Service of Architecture and Town Planning. On June 5, 2010 on 2315 a measurement was realized by means of sonetro overcoming the maximum allowed by the current legislation between 15 and 25 decibels. On October 26, 2010 denunciation appears for the same motive before the local police headquarters. To date of today, not even the complete records have been taught us. We do not even have steadfastness of any type of performance on the part of the Town Hall of Aguilar. Therefore, it is a question of supposed illegalities that can bear an alleged offense. The finished records with all the information were sent to the EXCMO. Mr. José Eduardo Díaz Zapatero, Spanish Prime Minister, to the EXCMO. Mr. José Antonio Griñán, President of the Meeting of Andalusia, to the EXCMO. Mr. José Bono, President of the Congress of the Deputies, to the EXCMO. Mr. Manuel Ch. Guns, as ex-president of the Meeting of Andalusia, to the Secretary of Organization of the Spanish Socialist Party of Andalusia and to the Secretary of Organization of the Spanish Socialist Party. Neither the Secretary of Organization of the Spanish Socialist Party of Andalusia, nor the Secretary of Organization of the Spanish Socialist Party, deigned to answer the writings. As for the answer of the rest of said political personages, we can say, that before political representatives they are civil with the same rights and obligations that the rest of the Spanish. Therefore, on having known all the finishing details of the records, they have the same obligation to put the facts in hands of the justice if they are constitutive of arrestable offenses. Likewise any citizen expert in any supposed illegality. On having belonged to the executive and legislative power, they must contribute solutions to the fact of which there is no well-known organism, at least for me, who inspect and control the licenses given by the town halls. It gives cause to me, to think, that should claim that the citizens we get tired before long judicial processes. With date, November 16, 2007, a writing had entry in the record of the town hall. Information about a few facts was requested. Later and before the absence of answer and information on the part of the town hall, the above-mentioned writing was sent to the District Attorney's Office. The District Attorney's Office, in date March 28, 2008, in considering second, says had of the operated it gets rid although it is indiciariament and even though to continue the investigations and opportune instruction, the existence of facts that of oiling might be constitutive of an arrestable offense. The proposal I deliver a judgment, it was sent to the court. The town hall does not answer to the information request for the supposed loss of a rural way. With date, April 30, 2007, writing appears in the record of the town hall, directed to Mr. Mayor. The object was to obtain information on each walls constructed in a rural, well-known way like who consulted the virtual cadastre. The above-mentioned way appears like a communication route between the street Alonso de Aguilar and the highway of Punta Genil. Considering the absence of answer, on the part of the town hall, sends the writing to the defender of the citizen, dependent on the county council, remaining registered with the number 252/08. Up to the date, answer has not been received in writing from the defender of the citizen. Only, a telephone contact has existed, indicating that they cannot do anything in the town hall of Aguilar. Nobody wants to know anything about the raised matter. Before this, everyone we can extract our own conclusions, but the reality is that the above-mentioned way is cut by walls in both ends and the town hall does not give explanations of it. Perhaps it is necessary to open an investigation. This investigation must correspond to the District Attorney's Office, if there will be placed to an alleged offense. Mayor, I remind to you that like public servant, your obligation is to expire and to make to fulfill the law, for all equal one. In the opposite case you might incur alleged offenses. Recommendation to the Spanish politicians. The politicians you must be to the service of the citizens, of its problems, of its worries, and to give example fulfilling the law. The citizens with our taxes we support the democracy, the state of well-being, and pay your salaries. When the citizens we move our problems to you, you must not look for another side, because you are doing a weak favor to him to the democracy, spoiling our credibility in the democracy. It will continue.